Hello everyone, welcome in this video series Real JavaScript. If you want to have an absolute perfect idea about core concepts of JavaScript and how it is working, what is happening behind the scenes, how single-threaded language and synchronous language is taking care of all the needs, what is actually making JavaScript so popular, yes, you are at the right place. My motivation for this video series is I still remember my early stage of coding when I started. I have been searching for tutorials that will make me understand the real JavaScript. I have been searching on Google like how this JavaScript magic is happening. It was sad. Unfortunately, I was hardly able to understand the stuff. It was really hard. That was the very first time when I thought sometime in future I'll create a series from which beginners will have an absolute perfect idea and also the senior developers will enjoy the series. They'll be able to fetch a lot of information out of it. It was a thought by then. Now, after many years of field experience, I am perfectly ready to pay back to society what I have gained from the society. It is a time to help others, to help community. To prepare a perfect course outline, I have read many books, many articles, I have watched many video series just to design a perfect course outline. I just don't want to overburden my audience. I'll serve the content on need to know basis. Turn by turn, starting from 0 complexity to 100, I'll cover each and every simple and complex concepts of JavaScript, having deep understanding of JavaScript, knowing how things are actually working behind the scenes. Follow along the series, you are going to observe JS very deeply. In every video there will be two parts. First part will be covering the theory and second part will be practical. I'll show you magic literally happening. I request you to please watch the complete series. Please don't miss any second of it. Please watch it completely. When I start explaining the theory, I request you to use pen and paper. It will help you memorizing the concepts and terminologies. Terminologies are very important for interviews. If anything is unclear, you can comment, you can ask. I'll definitely respond to that. And when it comes to practical part, pay your full attention. Once practical part is completed, then replay practical part second time and this time do code with me. It will help you to remove your coding fear and it will increase your deep understanding of JavaScript. One last thing, also please share this series with your friends, no matter they are senior or junior or just started. Share with them. If you like the content, please do like and subscribe. Catch you later in the video series. See you. Bye bye.